2 minus 3, it is minus 1. Then 2 minus 3 inside the parentheses, it is 2 minus 1 as well. Minus 1 times minus 1 plus 1. No, that's not the answer. That's wrong. Let's go for the correct order of operations. So in this type of operations, we need to go with something called PEMDAS. So we should go at first, we should deal with P for parentheses. We should solve it at first. Then we should go with exponents, if there is any exponents. Then we should go with multiplication or division, whichever comes first. Then we need to go with addition or subtraction, again, whichever comes first. So if you read it, it's like an acronym. So PEMDAS. And this is the vector of priority, PEMDAS. So in this example, we should at first deal with parentheses, right? So let's write it in this way, 2 minus 3. Let's just use the same color. And then inside the parentheses, it is 2 minus 3, which is minus 1. Now what? So it is like another multiplication. 2 minus 3 times minus 1, it is minus 3. And then minus 3, it is a multiplication. We can just say 2 plus 3. So we are subtracting from a negative number. So minus 3 or plus 3. And the final answer is 5. So make sure to follow PEMDAS.